Okay, let's look at the homework 5.4, 5.5, number 9. All right. So first, we want to sketch the region bounded by these two parabolas. All right. So let's do that. All right. So let's do an easy one. We know how to do y equals x squared, right? So let's draw that. So parabola 2. All right. Then let's see. I can't see the axes. All right. So the vertex is going to be at the origin, so maybe I'll just put that in there. All right, vertex is 0, comma 0, right? Origin, and a point is going to be 1, comma 1, comma 1. All right, so we got that one. All right, so we have that, and then we have another one, and let's see. So this guy is going to be vertex is going to be, so this is x squared, so start with the original one and apply reflection and then shift it up by 12. So it's going to be 0, comma 12 is the vertex, right? So put 0, comma 12 is the vertex, right? Then we just have to have another point. So let's try 1. 12 minus 1 squared is 11. So it's 1, comma 11. 1, comma 11. Right? That will probably do it. All right. Then we just need to fill this region right here. All right. So that's the picture. Right? So we need to find the region. Right? So let's do that. So it looks like the first one is the top curve and the second one is the bottom curve, right? So let's do that. All right, so this guy is going to be the top and this guy is going to be the bottom, but we have to find the intersection. So we set them equal to each other. So 12, so x squared is equal to 12 minus x squared, right? So first I'm gonna add x squared to both sides. So we get 2x squared is equal to 12, right? Then we can divide through by 2 so that we have x squared is equal to 6, right? Then we can take the square root of both sides so that we get x is equal to plus or minus square root of 6, right? So let's do that. So area that we are looking for, A, is going to be, right? So it looks like it's going to start from negative square root of 6 to positive square root of 6, right? And the top curve is 12 minus x squared, right, minus the bottom curve is x squared, right? Then we just need to evaluate that, right? So first simplify the integrand. So it's going to be negative square root of 6 to positive square root of 6, right? So you have 12 minus 2x squared dx, right? Take the antiderivative of that. You get 12x minus 2 times x to the third power, add 1 to the power, and divide by that power. And I go from negative square root of 6 to square root of 6. All right, plug it in. All right, so you have a 12 square root of 6, so it's going to be 12 square root of 6 minus, all right, so it's a 2/3, it's just a constant, put that there, all right, And the square root of 6 cubed would be square root of 6 times square root of 6 is actually 6. And then you have another square root of 6. So you have that, right? 3 and 6 cancel out, so you're 2 left over, right? Then minus, plug in the negative square root of 6. So it's negative 12 square root of 6, right? Then you have negative 2/3, right? But the negative 6, negative square root of 6 cubed would be still negative, so that's going to turn into positive. And again, it's a 6 square root of 6, right? So again, 3 and 6 cancel out, so you have a 2 on top, right? So okay, let's just simplify that. So that's going to be equal to, all right, so you have 12 square root of 6 minus 4 square root of 6. So it's 8 square root of 6, all right, minus, all right, this is negative 12 square root of 6, right, plus 4 square root of 6. So that's going to be negative 8 square root of 6. So minus negative 8 square root of 6 would be plus 8 square root of 6, which is 8 plus 8, so it's 16 square root of 6. All right, so that's the area. All right, so let's see, let's type it in. All right, so it's a 16 square root of 6. All right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got these guys correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.